Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open the document or web page you want to save as PDF. Tap the share icon in the top or bottom toolbar. Choose Print, then use a two-finger pinch to preview and save as PDF. When the preview appears, tap the share icon again to export the PDF. Choose Save to Files to pick iCloud Drive, on my iPad, or another location. You can also share the new PDF through mail or messages from the same menu. From Photos, select the image, then tap Share and choose Print to make a PDF. In Safari, open the page, tap Share, then select Print and pinch to PDF. Save to Files and pick iCloud Drive, on my iPad, or a specific folder. If you want local copies, choose on my iPad and create a folder named PDFs. Use the Files app to organize, move, or duplicate the saved PDF across folders and cloud services quickly. Use markup to annotate, add text, or insert a signature before saving the PDF. Use Scan and Notes to capture documents and save as a multi-page PDF. Set Files default folder or use shortcuts to automate PDF saving to iCloud. You can reorder pages, rotate, or delete pages inside the preview before exporting. For repeated tasks, create a shortcut that saves or uploads PDFs to a chosen folder automatically with one tap.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.